Now this will be the second video. So from here, for you will start from execute. You set your trigger. This is the manual trigger. Okay, let me do it this way. Let me do it this way. Let me do something like this. Let me do something like this. So
Can
so
be
actually
doing it as a
anybody
whole.
that want to drop
That
out can
person
drop
goes
now.
to
Sorry,
they're calling it.
brother, please, you are distracting us, please. So once you set your trigger, you click on this plus. Once you click on the plus, we want to put http request. Just put http request. You put it here. You put this guy. What you are put now to fill it, you use. I will send the folder. I will try to send the folder. Yeah. Oh, who is that? Please remove your phone from speaker, please. So now for the URL, you use sapa.dev. Oh my god, I'm hearing myself. X.
CP, please mute yourself now.
See, copy all this. I'm trying to copy it to make it fast.
I'm coming, I'll meet myself now.
Okay, so you just
Please,
come
how
here.
do we get this? Are you going to send the link? Are
Yeah,
you
I will
going to
send the
send
link. I will send every link. I will try and create a folder and send all the link. So now you use post. Just look at what I'm doing. The URL is sapa.dev. So you open your header.
CP? I beg, mute yourself.
How do they mute? I don't know how to mute. I'm trying to find out to mute.
Check the
How do
Just
they
find
mute
any
speakers.
now?
mic near you, please.
So
Eh?
for this
I'm
one, you
sorry,
come
I
and
really want to mute.
you
I don't know
okay
how to
put
mute.
X to API key. The value. This is the value for the header. Now for the body, you come here because this is the most important part of it. If it is not correct, you will not get anything. Okay, let me help this guy to mute himself. What do you say his name is? What do you say his name is? Let me check for it.
Please click on the mic icon now.
AGO4, right? Is it AGO4?
CP.
Oh, CP. CP. Okay. I don't see you. So, I don't mark your face. CP. Alright, I've muted him. I've muted the guy. Now you put the name as you put the Q as the okay. Crypto. You want to search for crypto. So depending on what you want to search for your own, this one is for the is it GL, right? This GL is US, and then for HL, which is the language, HL, this is going to be English. Now you just execute it ASAP to know whether it works or not. Yeah, so it works. You can see. Oh, I did not input the value, but it gives me 10. You can see. So 10 is the like the basic which they are going to send out. Now from there, what you are getting is our code. So you come and click on this plus, search for code, and the code in JavaScript. So because we are actually using JS and we have everything in JSON. Oh, where is it? Oh, sorry. I'm clicking on. I want to try and be as fast as possible. It will soon be prayer time here. So you copy this guy. But I've explained how the code works. Please try and go through the video for you to understand it. Paste it here. Shike now. Click on execute. So please let us be creative with this course. So it's not like every assignment or maybe you are going to work with a firm or whatever. This is not exactly what you are going to do. Just for you to know how to okay, you can okay from what you learn here now, you'll be able to apply it in another field. So that is what you want to do with this guy. Just understand the basics. So even your assignment, you might decide to do another thing. You might not be doing what I'm doing. Am I logged out? Hello? Can anybody hear me?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay, thank
yes, we
God.
can hear you.
So now you can see the sentiment. You have negative, neutral, 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 negative. This is why I did 50 for my own, for me to have plenty multiple outcomes. So we see positive, 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 and that is what we need. We've gotten some positive and we've gotten some negatives, and now we'll be taking it to the next step, which is the switch. Click on this and look for switch. So you look for switch and you set the values. So for the first exit, I want the sentiment. This sentiment, I want it to be what? You might say your own, you want it to be positive. So positive, don't forget it is in small letter, because from the code I used, it was small letter I used as the sentiment output, like the equal to, I use small letter. So that's why it is bringing small letter here. If you use capital letter in your own, but you must write it the way it is here for it to pick it. Now, for okay, I want to pass out just two, positive and negative. So if you like, you rename it. If you like, leave it like that. So this is for your positive, positive, and then you add routing rule, add rule. Then you click on this, you come and pick it here. So it's because I've copied, I just pasted it. So then you put this as a negative, negative. Your spelling must be in accordance with what you have here for it to work. Then now negative, negative. So you execute it. So what this guy is going to do is it is going to classify the input into two forms, the negative and the positive. And what it is going to use is the sentiment, this sentiment here. So anything that is negative in this sentiment will be sent out through the negative exit. Anything that is positive in the sentiment will be sent out through the positive exit, and I've executed it already. I now have two exits coming out. So if you check, the first one I did, I used three exits, which is the neutral, which we are not using. But for this one, I don't need the neutral at all. Now, to make it quick, real quick, what I'm doing here is I want to add slack. So slack for okay no for the positive I need airtable. So I need airtable for the positive. So then in the airtable you want to create or update a record. So for creating and updating a record, I've created the token already. You have to go and create your own. So I've created it. I will add the video to the file I'm going to send. So but it might be a little bit later. Please, I will go to mosque before coming back. The time might has gone. But let's say in the next 2 hours everything should be there. So you want to do record, you want to create or update. So from the list, based on the token you created, from the list what I have there should be the joy giver, and with the table I'm using the sapa dev. Now you match each column manually, don't use automatically. So it has pick all the title, the headings, the fields. These are the fields type I used, and the headings I gave them are showing already. I want the title to be here, the title to be in the title form, the what again, the long talk, which is the snippet, you merge it and bring it here. The post link, okay, you must put it in the box o, so it will show something like so. The URL, come and put it here. Published at, which is the time the post was published, put it there. So the source, you can also come and put it. So it depends on what you set in your airtable that is going to show here. So if you set another thing, that means it is that another thing that you'll be seeing as this feed feed title. You'll be seeing those other things. So let me just stop it like this. So then if you execute the step, it is going to update your table asap. Now you know I'm having 4 items that is coming in from here. Now looking at my airtable, which is my joy givers, now we have 40 currently. If I should run this guy, I should be having 44 now. So we will check this later. It is running. Now for the negative, let us do the curve. Okay, so you can see curve. So now I want to send it to what? Telegram. Telegram. You see, I'm not using limit this time around. So for the Telegram, I'm sending a message. Send a message. Send a text message. So this is it. Send a text message. For Telegram account, I already connected the token. So if you want to connect it, click on it. You go and use that bot father. Bot father. Use bot father to create a bot. Once you created it, get your token from the bot father. You copy it and you now come and paste it here. Once you click on this, you paste it here. Then you click on I think you are going to click on something down here. I don't know. Sorry. I don't know. It's like something is going to show up, or then okay, once you are done just click on maybe save or whatever. Just click on it. I don't know how, maybe it brought something for me or I just click enter. So but you do that, you send a message. The chat ID is the person that want to receive the message o. The chat ID, I showed us the website I used last week. So I use this website. You can see the name. Let me see, tguser.id, tg-user.id. That is where you will get your Telegram ID from. So to get the Telegram ID, go and copy your Telegram username at kinikan Telegram. Dat Telegram username, you copy it, you come to this site, you will paste the Telegram username there. From there it will generate your ID for you. The ID will be in form of number. So it will be in form of number. Let me copy this one here. Okay, or let me do one for you to see. Okay, let me see. Thank God o. See, this guy is very strict. If you leave here without saving, all your data is gone. You must be saving before you leave, please. You must be saving before you leave. So oh, I suppose to open it in a new tab, but let me just do what I want to do sha. Let me do this, because okay, so for you to work, let me copy this. You know how to copy your Telegram username? Ah, copy your Telegram username from your Telegram, then you paste it here. Now you click on get user ID. Now it will generate it like this. Then you click on copy ID. Now the ID is what you now put in your n8n. That's why I said I'm supposed to just open a new something. I need to go and refresh the page back. Okay, it is part of the game. So now you can see, let me execute the flow again because everything I've generated has gone. So you have to restart the flow. So all the data I've generated before has gone. Now let me execute again to have the input. Oh, this guy will not work because I have not completed my Telegram. So if you are having error like this in your Telegram, you might delete it first. So then you run it again. Let me run it again. It will run. So it's because one of the exits is not properly set. So that is why you will have error for all of them. Connect this one to this. So come to Telegram. Now the ID I copied, I'm going to paste it here. Please mo busy ẹ jọ̀ọ́ tí bá ṣe tán. So you come here and you copy the text format. You generate this by yourself, please. You can use kilo wetin be this guy sef, ChatGPT. His AI is your mate. Don't feel like a baby is controlling you, please. I used to say this o. Walahi dat baby know a lot of things than most professors. So don't feel too big to use it. So now, but one thing is, please let us know what you are going to be sharing on with ChatGPT, please, especially girls. I know our ladies used to do it. They used to get emotional because some people are having your data at the end. Let know what we'll be discussing with ChatGPT. Don't fight with your husband and now be telling ChatGPT you're having issue at home. That's a chance for somebody that love you to come in. So I sent it now. It has gone. Now you see it has gone to my Telegram. If I should open Telegram now, it will work. It is going to be there. Which let me go and open. Okay, so you can see this is outstanding crypto updates. I use the same bot, so you can see it. This is the last message I sent. So for the what is it? Slack, right? So for the Slack, the same thing. Slack. This is
Hello.
Slack. You send message.
Hello.
Oh, hello. Are you just joining us?
I'm not seeing. No, it's not. It has been long that I've been with you. But what you are just explaining now, we're not seeing the screen.
Oh, you are
We're
going
not
to
seeing.
have the recordings. You have the recordings, my
Oh,
sister. Do you hear?
okay,
Yeah,
okay,
I've dropped the
okay,
link. Just try and copy the link. So once you get the link, put it in your browser, remove the space, click on enter, you get to the file. Now, so you want to send a message.
okay.
Operation is send a message. Send message to, so it will show you what you have access to send message to in your Slack. So I'm not a Slack fan, I'm not used to it. So then you select user, select user, I select myself. So you want to send simple text message, that's all. Message text now will now be, you can use the same format for what you use in your Telegram. So message, try to put space because if you don't put it, it is going to cluster. You have your message in a way that is not easily readable. Try to always set it like this. So what we did here, I believe everyone has understood it. You just come here, you put title. So all these guys will not be here. Okay, sorry.
Sorry.
Let me.
This particular thing you're trying to do now, we
Okay.
can't see it on your screen. We can't
What?
see it.
You can't see it?
Yeah, we can only see. Are you on code in JavaScript? Is
Yes,
that
yes,
what
yeah.
you're
I'm in code.
working on?
Yeah, that's what I'm
Okay.
doing.
Okay.
Is that what you are saying?
Yes,
I'm
yes.
not in, I'm not coding actually. I'm setting up what will be received in my Telegram. So let me show you how it turns into a code. So this one that you are seeing on the screen currently, you will set this up by yourself. You are going to formulate this by yourself. So after you now formulate this, you will now put it here. Now you want to match the data, you want to map what is here into this text, because this is the message that the person is going to receive at the end. But you cannot be typing this one by one, saying title one, Coinbase CEO sell site. No, that is not part of the game. This is automation. You want to automate. So what you want to be in the title is whatever is here. And you know we have two items that we want to send. Now just pick the title. That means this is the exact place I'm putting my title. That means anything that is here that the title is equal to will now be placed here, replacing this code that you are seeing on the screen. You can see a sample below. You say title is now equal to what? Coinbase CEO set site on replacing banks with crypto super app. That is the first thing you are seeing. Now, so that is for the title. This is how it is going to show inside the Telegram, not this code that you are seeing on the screen. For the link, you come to the URL, come and put it here. So because you want the person to click on the link to go and check whether the news is true or not, you are just trying to connect them to the link for them to work. Okay, this is a negative mention about your brand. You want to notify them. So once they see it, they will now click on the link to verify whether it is a real news or not. Now for the date, you can pick the published ad, put it in front of it. Oh, oh my god, let me remove this. So there is an error. You come and click the published ad. So okay, let us not waste time with this. So for the yarn, so you know person wey like to dey talk, dey go say why you dey yarn. So now I put yarn for here. So now I set everything up, then you execute the step. You should receive the message safely in your Telegram. If you are not receiving it, that means you've missed a step, you follow the wrong step. Omo. So now you can see 6:37, it hasn't come. The message hasn't come yet. Oh, I'm using my second account. It seems I'm using my second account. Oh no, it is this one now. Am I using this guy? I don't even know. But sha, you receive it. I don't know, maybe it is this one I use or the second guy. Let me check. I'm not sure it is this guy. I'm coming. No, not this one. So you receive it, sha. It might be network issue. Let me know prolong the matter with this guy. So it will come here by itself once it's sent. Oh, I'm sending to Slack and I'm checking Telegram. So you receive it in your Slack once you send it. So but to connect, I'm going to show you how to connect each of them. So I've sent the Telegram, you've seen it before, right? Let me send it again. So the airtable, we've checked that. So the Slack, we've checked it. That means everything is working perfectly. So if your own is not working, you might need to come and check, go and watch the video and see maybe you missed a step, or maybe I want to say maybe you have to send me a DM, but that shouldn't be needful. If you watch this step by step, you should understand everything. All right. Thanks you all for giving me the chance to present this class to you. Thanks for joining me from the start to the end.